Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Cody Carpenter here from the YouTube channel Cody Knows. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the best networks and affiliate offers that you should run on Facebook ads when you're starting out. So let's first cover the two networks that I would recommend. And the first one is Clickbank because it's free for anyone to sign up. You don't have to get approved. And it's got it's one of the most trusted affiliate sites in the world, and it's been around since the Stone Age. So, and then the next one is MaxBounty, and this one is a great affiliate or CPA network as well. It's got a whole bunch of offers, and the thing I like with MaxBounty is that you actually get an affiliate manager, and they provide you their email and their Skype, their phone numbers, because they want you to do the best that you can do, and the more money you make, the more money they make. So those are the two affiliate networks that I recommend. And now I want to talk about some of the offers that I would recommend when you're just starting out with Facebook ads. So with Clickbank, I like to just go, once you log in, you come up here and hit Marketplace. And then you click Search. And right now it'll automatically sort by popularity. And I think that's really cool. So the most popular offer right now is a Cinderella solution. It is a weight loss product, and as you notice, it's got an affiliate page. So that's having an affiliate page is one of the advantages of using Clickbank versus MaxBounty, because they provide you with a whole bunch of resources and gives you the overview of the funnel and whatnot. So that's always nice to have affiliate pages. So that was Cinderella solution. Next, Hulky Diabetes Remedy. That is a diabetes offer, and those offers work really well. As you can see, there's a lot of weight loss offers on the popularity search. Flat Belly Fix, Organifi, I think that's like a red or green juice weight loss thing. Backyard Revolution, His Secret Obsession, the Overnight Millionaire System. And one thing you want to do, if you're just starting out with Facebook ads, you'll probably not want to run any weight loss offers or make money online offers, because when you set up campaigns for those are more likely to get flagged. And if you're not compliant with all of Facebook's policies, then you can even get your ad account banned. So you want to avoid that and promote white hat offers right away. And a perfect example is here in MaxBounty, we have ecom. And ecom is a really good white hat vertical, and I just chose this from the categories right here, and then I can deselect all these so they can show all the offers that allow social media traffic. Then you can sort by CPA rate or earnings per click. I don't like to pay too much attention to earnings per click because it's not always the most accurate, so I like to do CPA rate. And then you can just come and scroll through and see what you could have success with running. And I went through here earlier and I kind of bookmarked some that would be good. So One Tack, this is a super cool flashlight. Durable, I've ran this offer before. That's white hat. Drone X Pro, that's good. Color Smartwatch, Eye Teeth. Like these types of products are less likely to get flagged. So it pays $52 and it converts on a sale, and I'm pretty sure it's like a toothbrush subscription package thing, but that could have a lot of potential running on Facebook ads. So this was just a brief video on the types of offers that I would recommend running if you're just starting out with Facebook ads. Keep it white hat, keep it compliant, and you shouldn't have any problems. And one more thing I wanted to show you, Ted's Woodworking. That is a great offer to run if you're just starting out with Facebook ads. I'll show you the website. So it's basically just like you pay $67 and then you get 16,000 woodworking plans. And it works well on Facebook because you can use video ads, and those are very engaging. And here's a sales page. Like, it just has a whole bunch of cool things that you can build, and it's got a huge market, a lot of potential. And this is going to be the offer that I'm going to set up the campaign for in future videos. and show you the basics of creating your first Facebook ads campaign. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'm going to talk about how you can use a free Facebook spying tool called Big Spy. And then you can find people that are actively running Facebook ads campaigns for this offer. And then you can get ideas of what to include into your Facebook ad and get ideas and even swipe some ad copy or images and all that good stuff. So that will be in the next video. And that is it for this one. If you are not subscribed to my channel, smack that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.